Meanwhile, after a heated controversy, civilian trekkers have landed on the icy heights of the world's highest battlefield. An expedition involving 40 trekkers will travel to the heart of Siachen, and NDTV's Randeep Singh Nandal is tracking that journey step by step.
As our aircraft is about to land at the Leh airport, we all know that we will be embarking on an adventure of a lifetime. And soon the journey begins. We drive to the training camp that has been set up on the banks of the Indus, 50 miles east of Leh. The army wants to take no chances. So for the next 6 days, a group of civilians will be put through the basics to make sure we're fit enough to survive Siachen.
देखिए, आप प्लेन से आए हैं और जब आप इस ऑल्टीट्यूड पे आते हैं, आप शारीरिक तौर से उतना जो ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट यहाँ पे थोड़ा कम है, ऑल्टीट्यूड ज्यादा है, उसके लिए आप यूज टू नहीं है। जो आपकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी है प्लेन्स के अंदर, वो उतनी ज्यादा नहीं है जिसकी यहाँ पर इस एक्सपीडिशन को करने के लिए जरूरत है। उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम इन 6 दिन के अंदर आपको धीरे धीरे इस ऑल्टीट्यूड से भी और ऊपर ऑल्टीट्यूड में लेके जाएंगे, जिससे कि आपका शरीर बिल्कुल एक्सरसाइज के लिए तैयार हो सके।
Our day here begins early with a long walk to get used to the mountain gear at 11,500 feet.
You saw the temperature?
No. And through the day we attend lectures like this one by specialist army doctors who explain the kind of problems we could face. At these heights, the human body could quickly succumb to the lethal combination of very little oxygen and intense cold. Our group, comprising people mostly from the plains, is now beginning to gel. 16 school students, 3 amateur trekkers from Mumbai and 7 journalists, all with little or no experience of the adverse conditions that we are likely to encounter on our trek. This trek would take us to the very heart of the Siachen Glacier. Over 4 days, we will trek a distance of 60 kilometers in 4 stages, staying in makeshift camps each night. This is the first civilian trek at the Siachen in nearly 3 decades, covering a total of 120 kilometers over 8 days. So even as instructors provide tips that could potentially save our life, the tailors are busy taking measurements for the special high altitude gear. Each member of this team, from the oldest 53-year-old Charuhas Joshi, who is from Mumbai, to 17-year-old Yimlang Ao from Nagaland, knows that this is their chance to make history. Spirits are high.
Siachen was not allowed, for tourists it was taboo. Only political bigwigs and some celebrities were allowed in. The first time it's thrown open to tourists, so I'm proud that I'm the first privileged one to be one of these particular parties. Yeah?
You cannot but help notice that each one knows this is the Chak Day moment in their lives.
Bala Pillai, Kerala.
Charuhas Joshi, Maharashtra.
Bhrigu Shahja, Punjab. Karini Vitar, Rajasthan.
मुकुंद देवधर, महाराष्ट्र।
Jitendra Singh, Uttarakhand. Amar Chadda, Uttar Pradesh.
So, a big group here, and never forget the proud state of Haryana is represented here as well. In training for the Siachen trekking expedition with cameraman Alfred Mongsang, Randeep Singh Nandal for NDTV.